Welcome, friends. Catherine Tennant's poem, Any Woman. Catherine Tennant, an Irish poetess, wrote many poems and stories, novels. A famous writer, well known for her work, Any Woman. Here, she glorifies womanhood and speaks how important is a woman, a mother, in our world. Through some effective use of metaphors, she presents the importance of woman. She says that compares woman to a house as the pillars and the keystone of the house. How it is important. Same importance is there with a mother in the house. Without these structures, a building cannot exist. Similarly, without a mother, no house can exist. That means the whole world centers focus on mother. Mother is the pivotal center that makes the world go through. She says that a mother is the fire upon the earth, the light of the good sun. Without the presence of mother, the earth will be a colder stone. And the children cannot grow without the presence of the mother. And she holds the whole family together as in a close knot with a strong bond of love. A mother is very precious because the children's growth mainly depend on mother's love. No child can break the knot of love of the mother and escape from the close, tightened bond of mother's love. The poet says that she is the house from floor to roof. She do every household labors and decorates the walls. She spreads the board, spin the curtain, and do everything for the sake of the members in the family and for the safety of her children. And she is the wall that protects from all dangers. And she is the door against all harmful forces like wind and snow. And the poet concludes the poem with a prayer. That means, do not call her from this world without accomplishing her mission of making her children full grown citizens. She wants to see them standing on their feet independently to live without the help of a mother. This is the dream of every mother's. And so, here, Catherine Tennant speaks how important is a mother in this world. A mother is a great phenomenon, a life-giving force. Without her presence, the earth will be a barren land. And the problems that women encounter all over the world, somewhat similar in structure, in theme. So she says that she speaks how important the mother in this world in her most famous poem, Any Woman. And she makes use of many metaphors, metaphorical expressions She glorifies womanhood, motherhood in all ways. And it's a very beautiful poem that can be considered as a masterpiece work by Catherine Tinner. Thank you.